So hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to provide a major and a very big update to the decal system that I'm using right now. So first of all, I want to say that this decal system is working because I have such wonderful decal scripts made by Unity user Tudor Nita. It is a link you can see here. And the second script is just like addition, so I used only picture from this package. It's also available free to use on Unity 3D forums. Here's the link. So let's just go back to Unity, and I'm going to show you what new features I added here. So first of all, I want to say that now you can freely download this package. So link is below in description of this video, and it's free to use. So I give a credit to to this guy and this guy. So I think I'm doing a polite thing. So I'm not breaking any morals, any principles. So it's good to know, I think. So let's just go back to our Unity. So what you can see here is that I added a transparency and shadow to some shaders, and now you can see here that this web has very sharp edges, and also this web has shadow. So you can see here, so shadow from the web, and this web is also transparent. So here we go. It's one main feature. And the second, it's it's the same, but still it's little bit different. So now this not so this plants stock that you can see here, it's a decal, but still it's used as a plant. So they are all have shadows now, so it's pretty cool, I think. So now it's working properly, I guess. And also I have a couple of hints. So I mean, it's not a bug, not a glitch, it's just a hint for everyone who is going to use this this system. So it's about shaders. So I have here a couple of errors, so just never mind. So it's about shadows. So here is a very good line here. So this line has name Z right, and you can enable or disable the right. So what does this thing does? So it works with a positioning of your transparent objects in the world position. So you can maybe heard of such event in a graphics process of the rendering as Z-Fight. So it's where a geometry which is used in transparent material is fighting for a closer position for camera, to camera, and this is what I mean here exactly. So now those materials, those plants, they are not blinking like hell. So they are sometimes they are blinking, so you can see it here, but it's not very crazy like it was before. But still, here is a very good to note here that this is what I mean. So this shader that I applied to this material is coming closer to our camera than this shader. So you have to or you have to go and dig shaders and try to enable some features or disable, or you can place the objects in a way so there will be no conflicts with camera and this stuff. So your player will not look from the underground to the sky, right? So and there are very small chance that your player will face such situation when you can see this decal, right, from the plan's view, so like this. So it's a very small chance. And basically they are all working properly right now, so you just have to keep your eyes open and and fix any visual problems with decals and this system overall. Okay, it's about shaders. So basically I have here a couple of shaders. So standard shaders of Unity and two, so this is a standard built-in shader of Unity, and this is edited shader which is coming together with this simple mesh decal script. So here we go. You can download it, try it for yourself, and give some note to the author of this script, to this system. Okay, so I have here, so in this scene I used only 3 shaders. So first shader, it's a transparent diffuse. So this shader is, I apply this shader only for objects which are, are not about to be visible from, from this side or from this side. So it's one side material. And here I apply different type of shader. So it's a 2-side shader. So you can see here. So it's transparent, and there is no cool. So it does mean this no cool that this this material is 2-sided. And about next one. Okay, I showed you this, and this is vertex lead. So this is a third material I'm using here. So this material is very good for very basic mobile graphics feature. So it's very easy to render, and so you can see. So this shader doesn't make shadows, doesn't receive shaders, so just a simple shader. Here we go. It's it is this one. So it's also you can see here by the blood appearance on the screen. So this blood is more better looking, right? So it has a simple shader, this one built in, and this one is more sharp. It's very good for for contrast in your game, for visual style of your game. Yeah, and let's just show you once again how to place decals. So I go to prefabs. So I'm going to, and I have here a couple of prefabs here. So blood, plant, and web. So let's just start with web. So I have here a material already set to my prefab. So I'm going to place it somewhere where there is no web yet. So let's just place here first of all light source, so you could see. Oh, it's away. Oh, it's far away. Okay, let me just do this. So I place here web, and I place here light also. Light. Okay, and my web. Okay, you can see that. So I don't have corners here, but anyway we can do it without corners also. So the corners, like this here, is not necessary. So I place it some closer to my wall, and I press place decal. This is how it basically works. It's not very good in this case because I have, I should do not this. I should do this instead. So I have to move it like. Hold on. Like this. Hop. 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 Okay. Place prefab. Okay, it's much better now. You can see how it does work. So it's going, so it touches. So in this case, it's align this web with wall. So, and because I don't have here edges, I mean not edges, corners, so it doesn't look very good. So I'm going to make here some kind of corner, so to let you see how it's going to be, look better in case if you have corner, good corner. So okay, let's just make some corner here, and we have to place this prefab like this. Okay, it's a way big web. Let's just make it like this and rotate it properly like this, and we can finally place it. And you can see now, so it's a little better. So just okay, yeah. Let's just move our light little closer so you can see it. Also, I said that you can play with materials. So so let's just say, yeah. So you apply this material, right? This or this. So they are all different. But if you have Unity Pro, so you can add here shadows, and your light will cast shadows, and your web will have also shadows, here on the wall. Yeah. Now I'm going to take my light and rotate it so you could see how it does look. So I need to change here shader. I mean not shader, material. Okay, it's this one. So we can see here. So I have here shadows from my web over here. I'm going to take a light, source light once again. Okay, you cannot see it because just make it instead, here, this web. It's going to be very big web like this. Okay, place prefab. Okay, it's a way better, so you can see now how it does work. So it's our web, and where is our light, and we can rotate it like this. So here we go, this is our web, shadows, yeah, but no spider. Yeah. And let me just show you the shadows from the plants. And it's a shadow from the plants. And I'm going to show you how to make such plants for your game. So I'm going to add here sphere, make it bigger like this. I'm going to place it somewhere here, and I'm going to take my prefab plant and rotate it 180 degrees. Basically I have to do this first. So, and then I place prefab. Right, it's my plant. You can see it. It's, and also, you know, it's, so there is a easier way to make it. So you can basically create sphere, right, and do this instead. So when, so you can do this, place prefab, right, and then you have a very good bush for your game. Cool bush. Oh no, like this. Okay, wait. Yeah, like this. Okay. It's not a bush, but still, you know, some kind of tree, strange African exotic tree. So now you understand how you can use this decal system. Yeah, so I will provide a link in description so you could download it and use it for free. Yeah. So basically I wanted to use this system for blood decals, but when I saw that this system has, you know, some problems, so, you know, if, you know, so you can see here, so I place it here, a decal, right, from the blood, and it's not very closely attaches itself to the wall, right, and I decided, okay, and why not to make it like web, not blood, web, and I decided to make this, you know, web solution like this. Okay, I think it's enough for this video. Thank you for watching and have a good time, and bye bye. Bye bye and have a good time. See you later. Bye.